Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and today solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 70, climbing stairs. So it is tagged as an easy problem, but I would say it's somewhat close to a medium level problem, and we will first check out the problem statement, then we'll look into the approach which we're going to use, and towards the end we'll see the code as well. So starting with the problem statement is given that you are climbing a staircase. It takes n steps to reach the top. So basically we have n number of stairs which we want to climb. Each time you can either climb one or two steps, and we have to find out in how many distinct ways you can climb to the top. Okay, so this is a dynamic, like, so we'll be using dynamic programming solution to solve this problem. But interestingly, while solving the problem, I figured out a pattern, pattern in the way it is given. Okay, so let's check out the approach. So this will be the explanation. So we'll be first using the dynamic programming, okay, to solve this question. Now suppose you are standing here, okay, and you have to reach to this staircase. There is just one way, that you take one step and you reach it, right? So and this is the array which we are maintaining. It's called dp, and we will be putting in all the ways which can be opted to reach that particular staircase. Okay, now you have reached 0. For 1, how many ways are there? So for example, what you can do, you can start from ground, you can jump to 0 and 0 to 1. Okay, or you can directly jump from ground to 1, right? This is also an approach. So we have two ways to reach to stair 1. For 2, there are 3 ways. How? So you already know you can reach 1, uh, and if you jump from 1 to 2, it is possible, or you can also jump from 0 to 2 as well. Okay, so we have 0 1 to 1 approach, ground to 1 1 to 2 second approach, ground to 0 0 to 2 third approach. So that's why we have 3. Now if you start to observe that, for example, this is the indexes, can I write dp of I in all this array is satisfying this condition, and this is nothing but a condition for Fibonacci series. Condition for Fibonacci. Okay, so this was the observation which I was able to come up while solving this problem, and this is what exactly we will be doing. So we will have these two values as a starting point. Okay, and for any other n, so for any other n, what we'll do, we'll use this formula, and we'll just replace i's with n's. Okay, so let's check out the code to solve this problem. This is the code, like 3 or 4 lines of code to solve the problem, in which what we are doing, first, if n is less than 3, so we don't have to calculate everything, we can just simply return the n, okay, straight up. Then what we are doing, we have defined this dp array, and if you see, this is the Fibonacci pattern, right? 1 1, then we have 2, then next element will be 3, then next element will be 5, and so on and so forth. And for n steps, what we'll be doing, we are simply iterating from 3 to n plus 1. We are using 3 because anything less than 3 will be handled here only, and we are just writing the loop for higher number of n's. So this is one part. Next, what we are doing, we are adding the sum of I minus 1 and I minus 2 in the dp to get the number of ways we can reach to ith stair, and at the end we'll just simply return the value at nth position. Let's check out the test cases. And one more thing, like, this question has been asked a lot in many reputed companies like Amazon, Expedia, Microsoft, Uber, Google, Goldman Sachs. So I think this will be a good add to your to your knowledge. So the solution got accepted, and as you can see, we have outperformed 51.08% of the submitted solution. So yeah, This was the solution, guys. Thanks Dan for watching out the video. Stay tuned for upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.